In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Slack and Trello. 5 minutes. We're going to set up a simple, reliable connection so activity on your Trello board triggers notifications in Slack. This is great for keeping your team aligned without constantly checking Trello. All you need is access to a Trello board and permission to install power-ups, plus access to a Slack workspace and channel where alerts are allowed. Start by signing in to Trello and opening the board you want to connect. If you manage multiple boards, pick the one where updates matter most, like your sprint board or an incoming requests board. At the top of the board, open the Power-Ups menu. This is where Trello integrations live. If your workspace has power-up limits, you may be asked to disable another before adding a new one. Next, choose Add Power-Ups to open the Power-Up directory. Use the search bar to look for Slack. You're after the Slack Power-Up that lets you send alerts to your Slack workspace. Click it to view the details, then select Add. After adding, head back to your board and look for the new Slack icon in the board header. That icon is your control center for alerts. Click the Slack icon and choose Add Slack Alert. This opens a setup panel that links your Trello board to Slack. Select the Slack workspace you want to use, then pick the specific channel that should receive updates. If you're prompted to sign in or authorize access, go ahead and allow Trello to post to Slack on your behalf. You'll need permission to post in the channel you select. Now choose the Trello events you want to be notified about. Common options include new cards being created, due dates being added or changed, cards being moved between lists, and mentions or comments on cards. Think about the signal-to-noise ratio for your team. Pick only the events that truly matter so your Slack channel stays useful, not noisy. When your selections look good, click Done to save the alert. From now on, Trello will send messages to the channel you chose whenever those events occur. If you ever want to fine-tune the alerts, just click the Slack icon again to adjust or remove them. And if your team's needs change, you can edit the channel, the event types, or disable the power-up entirely from the same place. That's it. You've linked Trello to Slack in just a few minutes, and your team will now get actionable updates exactly where they work.